Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about taking advantage of your employee stock purchase program and how to maximize your profits. Now before we get into the video, go ahead and smash that like button. Let's get 20 plus likes on this video, and in the comments below leave a comment if you're contributing into your employee stock purchase program and how good is it, what are the benefits, and how much are they contributing in there and matching compared to what you're putting in. Alright guys, so basically what an ESPP is, what they call it, is basically you are able to purchase shares of the company at a discounted rate, and sometimes your employer matches your contributions. How this works is you're locked into a period, let's say 6-month period, so from like January 1st until July 1st, and pretty much you're gonna be locked in at the buy price either January 1st or July 1st, whichever price is lower. So let's say in January the price of the stock is like $40, and then July 1st obviously the market's going to go up and down, so let's say it gets up to like $55. You get to buy your shares at the lower price, which would have been the January price at $40 a share instead of the July price, which was $55 a share. And if you're looking at that already, whatever you're contributing, you're already making a $15 profit because it went from 40 to 55 in those 6 months, and you bought it at the 40 that you were locked in. So you already made $15 per share. And let's say that you get a 10% discount from the company. That's another $4 you get to take off that $40 at the start, which makes your stock purchase price $36, even though the stock is at $55 right now. So which is already, you're making $19 profit per share, and you just got into it. You haven't even done anything. All right, now you might say, well, this seems way too good to be true. There's no way that I'm going to be making this much profit already, and nothing's even, I haven't even put any work. Well, let me use an example. So let's say you're making like $40,000 a year, and you can contribute up to 10% of how much you make, and let's say that was the max. So 10% of 40,000 would be $4,000. And if you do $4,000, and then from the last split that I just talked about, the $36 purchase price that you would get a discount at, that would make you have 111 shares of whatever company you're working for. So you would have 111 shares of that company, and those 111 shares times the $19 profit that you already calculated in those 6 months that you haven't even, nothing's even changed. But the $19 times 111, you would already be at a profit of $2,109. And that's before you even received the shares. You would already be making $2,000 as you're receiving them. And then after that, it can grow and do whatever. But you're already making free money pretty much, $2,000 guaranteed. So a little tip that I would suggest, this is something I would do, basically, is hold your shares. You must hold your shares at least 1 year from the date of the exercise and 2 years from the grant date, because you will be paying less, like lower taxes on it, because it's considered a long term. But if you sell the shares earlier, like within that same year, it's going to be considered a short term sale, so you're going to be paying more taxes on that. So what I do is just hold them and just keep holding them and let them keep going up, unless the stock is going down, then go ahead and sell. Alright, so if you're one of those skeptical people and that's, like, oh, there's no way this is going to work. Well, as soon as the money is vested, so either July 1st or January 1st, depending which half of the year you're getting your shares at, well, as soon as you get them, you're pretty much guaranteed 100% profit that day when you receive the shares. So as soon as you receive the shares, that is the lowest price you can get it, because you got it at a discount price. So if you fear losing your money, you can sell it literally right away, and you have zero risk involved in this investment. That's just what I'm getting from this, and this is what I can do. You can obviously choose to keep your shares and let them keep growing, but they could go up or they could go down. You never know what's going to happen with the market. But that day that you receive those shares, you can literally sell them, and you're making 100% profit on whatever you got it at. There's no way you're going to lose money unless the share just plummets that same day. But you're pretty much 99% you're guaranteed to make that discounted price, and all those shares are going to be at a nice profit. Alright guys, so that is how the employee stock purchase plan works. If you learned anything from this video, make sure you smash that like button. Let's get some likes on this video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out all my other videos on my channel. And in the comments below, go ahead and comment if you're in the stock purchase plan program at your job and how it's worked for you so far, if you're enjoying it or not. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.